Hi, in this video I will show you how you can insert your SIM card to Redmi A5. You need to have SIM card and this needle which comes with your phone inside this box. Now let's take our Redmi A5 and here is the location of SIM card slot. Let's take the needle and carefully put it inside, just like here, just like that, and take it off very carefully because it's easy to broke. Now we have our slots here. Now you need only nano SIM card, which is the smallest piece of SIM card. Only this one, and take our slots. Now place it just like that, and now carefully let's go back to our phone. Place it just like that, very carefully. Now SIM card is inside now. As you can see, I have emergency calls only, but you will have here your operator name, but I need to register this card. But that's it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Bye.